Now, let's look at how attention works inside a transformer model. In this architecture, we have three important components: query, key, and value. These play a central role in how the model understands relationships between words. If you recall from the previous lecture, self-attention is about measuring how each word relates to every other word in a sentence, including itself. In simple terms, the model calculates how similar one word is to all the others. For example, if we take the word that the model compares eat with every other word in the sentence, such as came, out, oven, or this process helps determine how much attention should be given to each word when predicting meaning or generating output. The same process repeats for every other word, allowing the model to understand context more effectively. You can think of it like a search system. The query represents what we're searching for, the key acts as the label for available information, and the value holds the actual data we retrieve. In self-attention, each word serves as both the query and part of the keys and values. The model compares every query with all keys to find the degree of similarity, then uses that relationship to weigh the corresponding values. By doing this, the transformer builds a deep understanding of how words interact and influence each other within a sentence. In the next lecture, we'll work through a practical example to see exactly how the key and value are calculated during this process.